Yo, what's going on, guys? Bonecrusher here, and there's new photos of Robertson Scott figures up on TFW 2005, and I'm gonna have my look through. So we're gonna go through, skip all the info. Gonna go to our first one, and this is One Step Below. And here he is, and I believe he's gonna be this blur. I believe is like a press one where you go boop and then done. If you guys know Blur, in the Robertson Sky series, or Rescue Bot series, there was a crossover between Transformers, Robertson Skies and Rescue Bots, but really it was only Sideswipe going into Rescue Bots. So this may mean that in Rescue Bots, Blur's leaving, and if Blur's really coming to, sorry if you can see the sides, if Blur's really coming to Robertson Skies, that means that there's already going to be character with him and Sideswipe. Now the next photo is of 3 Step Soundwave, and this looks good, but I'm getting the Warrior Class one, which would be, and this is the Activator Combiner, which is basically the part of the combiner, the Combiner Force line that's happening for Robertson Skies. I'm not going to be picking this one up because I'm going to be picking. Oh, and wait, I'll get to the. And this is Legends Blow, which obviously is a repaint, heavy repaint, heavy remold of Sideswipe, based on the feet designs, as you can see. Because the feet designs, actually no, never mind. It actually looks like a new mold because, oh yeah, it is. Because when I originally saw this, I was like, yeah, it's a straight repaint remold of Sideswipe. Our next photo is of Legends Cyclonus, which, in my eyes, based on what I can see here, it looks like a heavy remold of the Legends class Jet Vicons in Transformers Prime. Because if you see on these on the Legends designs, it's cut. Actually, no, never mind. Wait, what? Where's that part? I rest my case because I just noticed a few things. Huh. Apologies for what I just said. Here's Legends Class Starscream, which is a repaint, remold of the Windblade. You know, the terrible Windblade. Its first sightings of this was actually in Australia, as long with Legends Class Springload. I will be trying to get both of them. This is Bludgeon, which in the first photo it had him as an Autobot. It had him as an Autobot, and let me just say, in my opinion, they do need to change this. Do need to change the color, because this is the exact same color as Megatronus's feet. So it won't really work as good for him, due to the fact that it's already, well, an existing piece there. They need to remold it. And this is Warrior Blur, and oh my god, I am picking this guy up. I believe in the Rescue Bot series, he doesn't really look like this, but he looks something like this. The top of the arms, that's there in the Rescue Bot series, where he has like them at the back. When I get this, I will be putting him with Sideswipe, next to Sideswipe, because there was more of a bond between them two than any other character in the show. And if he's in the show, I expect for them just where my tongue screws up. I expect there to be a big bond between Sideswipe and Blur. I have high expectations for the character. And now, here is Warrior Class Skywalk, which probably is going to be a a Toys R Us exclusive. Yet again. Yeah, which means that Skywalk may be coming into the series. I have high hopes for it because every single figure that we've been getting a warrior class form of, we've got the character on the show. Next photo is a warrior class Soundwave, and in my opinion, this Soundwave is the closest as we're gonna get to the IDW Soundwave. And if you guys want to know what IDW Soundwave looks like, this is what he looks like. We'll post a photo up on Facebook. Uh, it's basically the IDW Soundwave transforms into like that. Um, and also it has Transformers Prime Soundwave's head as well. So it's mixing three universe looks are based on this, and also it feels like it's a heavy repaint, heavy remold of the Warrior class Bisp because if you can see there, he's got those things as what Bisp has. So next photo, this is Warrior Starscream, and I think this one looks different because we got one for Toys R Us, and I think this is for the retail release because it does look a little bit different. This is Twinferno, which Twinferno is already getting a Titan's Return figure, so I don't know if I'm going to be picking this one up. Mainly because we're getting a lot of Autobots for. We're getting a fair few strong Autobots. Next photo is. Oh wait, no, there's no photo. Yes, that's all the photos, and yeah, so these are the new releases of Transformers Titan. Bloody hell, Transformers Robots in the Skies, Warrior 1-step, Activator 3-step, Legends, anything, figures, and this is bonecrusher signing out.